Hi everyone, welcome to Reader's World. Today I'll be reading the book In the Tall, Tall Grass by Denise Fleming. In the tall, tall grass. Crunch, munch, caterpillar's lunch. Dot, dip, hummingbirds sip. Strum, drum, bees hum. Crack, snap, wings flap. Pull, tug, ants lug. Slip, slide, snakes glide. Rich, ratch, moles scratch. Skitter, scurry, beetles hurry. Zip, zap, tongues snap. Hip, hop, ears flop. Stop, go, fireflies glow. Lunge, loop, bats swoop. Stars bright, moon light. Good night, tall, tall grass. The end. If you like this story, please do give a thumbs up. Have an awesome day.